Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up mute audio on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. And now on the left panel, you want to go down and select Sound. And where it says Output, whatever your speaker device is, just drag it all the way over to the left or select or check mark the mute option here. And that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.